that you can use to make either your service more understood, to make your business more understood, or even to make yourselves more understood amongst your friends and family so that people will understand exactly what you do in a very simple way. And it's called a marketing message. And a marketing message is made out of 4 parts. It starts with the target market. Who is it that you actually sell to? Where are they based? What kind of companies are they? What kind of people are they? Those are the, when you have that defined, it makes it easier for you to be able to explain to people what kind of companies you want to sell to. The second part of the marketing message is the issue that you solve. What are the problems, the pain points, the issues that you solve, and why are they important? The third part is the ultimate benefits or outcomes that your service provides. I'm not talking about like in a survey consultant, I'm not talking about I deliver surveys, or I create interviews, or I interview people. That's not an outcome. An outcome is I provide clarity to my clients on what their issues are, or I provide clarity to my clients on what their opportunities are, or I help increase sales. That's an ideal outcome. Or in your cases, it would be I help my entrepreneurs with business advice to increase their business or to grow their business. It's not that I sit in meetings and I explain to people what they do. That's a deliverable. That's not necessarily an outcome. Be very clear with that when it comes to developing your marketing.